guys, and welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm going to be fixing my old slimes and giving them a makeover. So I have done a few videos like this before, and they are just a ton of fun to film, and you guys seem to really enjoy them as well. I have two really old slimes that definitely need to be fixed, so today I'm going to be giving them a makeover. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the two piggies, Snickers and Cinnamon. They're both super cute. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them having floor time earlier this week. On. Now I'm going to take you over to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, and I am going to be using all sorts of kinds of different ingredients, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. And here are the two slimes that I'm going to be giving a makeover. So here's the first slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover. So it's a pink fluffy slime with a bunch of different colorful beads. I've had this slime for quite a while. I don't really remember when I made it, but it's pretty old, and as you can see here, it's completely melted. So to start off with the makeover, the first thing I'm going to do is remove all the foam beads just so I can start off with a nice clean slime. Now that I've removed as many foam beads as I could, next I'm just going to pour the slime into a bowl. Now this slime has been sitting on the shelf for quite a while, so it has separated a little bit. So now I'm just going to mix the slime together until the texture is nice and even. Now to soften up the slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some white Elmer school glue. Next, to make this slime nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. Now that I have all the ingredients mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime. If you want my activator recipe, it will be in the description box down below. Now to give this slime a super fun and unique texture, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a brick of white Xoxo clay to turn this into a butter slime. Adding in the Xoxo clay made the slime super drizzly and spreadable. It turned out so fluffy and it was super fun to play with. I thought it would be super fun if the slime had a bunch of different layers, so what I'm going to do is split the slime into 3 equal pieces. Then I'm going to color them using some pink, purple, and blue food coloring. Next, using a plastic container, I'm going to take a piece of each of the slimes and layer them side by side. And finally, to top off the slime, I thought it would be so much fun to add some glitter, so I went ahead and added some pink, purple, and blue chunky glitter, and I also went ahead and added some gold star-shaped ones as well. So here's the slime before the makeover. It was so old and melted, and it definitely needed to be fixed. And here's the slime after. I am so happy with the finished result of this slime. It just turned out so nice. I love the layered effect. It's just so pretty, and I couldn't be any happier with this slime. I love layering different colors of slime together. It's just so much fun, and the end result always turns out so cool. I love swirling all the different colors together, and it's just so much fun to mix in. Here's the second slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover. So it's a tealish blue color, and this slime is so old. I don't really remember when I made it, but I'm pretty sure this used to be a butter slime. And as you can see here, it is separating a lot, and it's definitely due for a makeover. First, to start off with the makeover, the first thing I'm going to do is pour the slime into a bowl. Next, I'm going to add some white Elmer's school glue just to freshen up the slime, because it has been sitting on the shelf for quite a while. Next, to make this slime nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. When I started mixing in the shaving cream, I realized I should have used a bigger bowl. It was falling out all over the place, but it was too late. The next thing I'm going to add is some lotion. This is going to make the slime smell good, and it's also going to soften it up a little bit. And finally, it's time to activate the slime. Again, if you want my activator recipe, it will be in the description box down below. At this point, all of the ingredients were falling out all over the place, so I just decided to go in with my hands a little bit early. Now to change up the color of the slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some blue food coloring. Now to change up the texture of the slime, I'm going to add some instant snow to turn this into a cloud slime. I've been really loving cloud slime lately. It's probably one of my favorite slimes right now, and it's just so much fun to play with. I love making it, and it always turns out so nice and drizzly. A great tip I found to making the best cloud slime is to also add some dry snow in there. It helps it fluff up a lot nicer, and it makes it extra drizzly. If your cloud slime still isn't fluffing up, then keep adding more instant snow until it's the right consistency you like. This slime actually turned out really interesting. It definitely wasn't a typical cloud slime, because whenever I fluffed it up, it did fall out in clumps. I was thinking because this used to be a butter slime, maybe the clay had something to do with it. I'm not really sure, but it turned out so unique. I've never felt anything like it, and I had a ton of fun playing with this slime. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to use some rainbow sprinkles, some star-shaped glitters, and some purple glitter. So here's the slime before the makeover. This slime was so old and gross and definitely needed to be fixed. And here's the slime after. This slime turned out so incredible. I'm in love with the texture. The texture is so unique, and I just loved playing with it. This slime turned out so pretty, and I had so much fun recreating it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime makeover was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Also, really quickly, I want to mention, I do have a public email now, so if you guys would like to send me fan mail or just email me for fun, I will have that email in the description box down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!